Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off guided access, time limits, alarm sound on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings, and then in settings we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next we go down and in the general section tap on guided access. Now make sure guided access is turned on. Then we go down and tap on time limits. Next tap on sound, and to turn off the alarm sound for guided access time limits, you can select none, and this is the default settings. If you want to play an alert sound, you can select a tone down here. So go down the list and select a tone sound. You can also tap on the classic subcategory. This will open up more sounds for you to select. And that's it. So that is how you can turn it on or switch it off for guided access. So here you can see if I start guided access. So guided access, and then options, and if I turn on time limit for 1 minute, then tap on done, then tap on start. Now put in the passcode, and then when the time limit is up, it will raise an alert on the device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.